Hello, I'm going to make a video now for just to, in honor of my cat Chaka, because she's very important to me, and basically, she is not doing so good, and I just thought I'd go ahead and make this video in honor of her, and honestly, I don't know, I'm gonna miss her when she's gone. We also had another cat that passed on recently, and Mom thinks that she might be around for a while longer, but just in case, I'm gonna make this video in case something does happen. So here goes. How do I turn this around? Turn around. Come on. Hold on. I guess you can't turn around once you got it started. So it's very weird. What do you know? Well, I'll make this in 2 different parts then. If that's the case, then make this the first part of it. See you later.